Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna be making an omelette for myself and my daughter for breakfast. Okay, we have got the chopped onions, hope you can see. Stuva is really, she's not a big eater, so we're gonna crack those babies in there. Okay.
As you know, the sardine has got scales. You want to make sure you get the scale
Off the sardines. So I normally get rid of the oils. No one needs the oils in here. Okay. Put one here. Then we take the insides as well while he's on his entirety, okay? So, we have got that. Never eat the scale, guys, never. It's just not a nice taste in the mouth anyways. It can be, I mean, I prefer to make with the tuna because it's just easier. I don't have to do all this cleaning business here, because you have to take the insides as well, make sure all this is out of the, it can be a bit messy, but it's nice to taste, and it's a nice breakfast to have an omelette and that is filled with not just eggs, but there's other flavors in it. Excuse me. Okay, remove those. Ooh, like I said, I don't like the messiness, but it pretty much takes 3 minutes to. But don't allow the omelette to, I mean the sardine to really be destroyed. I like to have chunks of it, and I like to be able to taste it as I mean, no doubt you taste the sardines anyway. Okay. Don't sort of crush all the sardines in it. There's some bits in there. And now I'm going to add black pepper. Tuna. Also, I like to put a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Okay. Just to give that extra flavor. Here's pink salt, a tiny bit, guys. You don't want to go crazy with this, because that will do. That's pretty much that, and I'll come back and I'll show you when I pour it into the frying pan. Okay. One moment. Guys, I also decided to add some cherry tomatoes in it. Some cherry tomatoes. Just gonna cut in half. Okay, just give that beautiful color. At this stage, you could also add spinach if you prefer, or whatever, or mix of both. It just adds that nutritional value to your food as well, which is fantastic. And my daughter loves eating cherry tomatoes on. That's how it looks. Like I said, you can put spinach, whatever you like. Okay. So at this stage, you kind of sort of okay, looking nice and pretty. Okay, and it's very tasty. All right. Be careful, guys, because if you know someone that normally cooks all the time to Not put your face close to the frying pan. Sometimes it breaks, but sometimes I'm too managed to turn around as a whole, really. And my mum does the roll like that. And turn around. And the smell is unbelievable. So it's great for Sunday. It's great for big families, you know, people that have got a big family in the house, live with a lot of people. So it's fantastic. Great for sharing. I mean, omelette, easy to make. You can even put potatoes, diced sort of potatoes as well with it, so to make a bit more filling. Yeah. Make sure there's nothing left that is raw around there, so I try to give a little sort of a cheeky cuts in between, and I know it's guaranteed to cook to perfection. Okay, let's grab a plate. Okay, it's done. Yeah, plate ready there. Okay. Oops. Normally I would be sort of using two utensils to help me, you know, as you can see it's quite large, so we have to, you break easily, but nevertheless. Okay, do the rest. Normally it's prettier than what it is at the moment, but it's nice. Okay. That's your sardines. Okay. So guys, these are omelette. Easy feeling. That's a nice and you can dress with the salad dressings and so on. So guys, this is a nice and just tasty, you know, breakfast to have, especially while you quarantine, guys. You want to make something like this for yourselves. It takes less than 5 minutes, and yes guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let this channel grow, and I have got a second channel about home decorations and also a lot of DIYs and cooking videos I'll be uploading there. I'll leave the name down and you guys can go and visit my channel. There's nothing, I mean, there's not much there at the moment, but I just want to sort of let you guys know. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this fabulous omelette, and hope you and your family try it. Thank you. Bye. Here it is, guys. Just a fabulous omelette to have in the morning. Filling, you won't be hungry in a few hours. So yeah, just tasty. Make something for yourself that is healthy. You know, at the end of the day, you have to look after your health. It's the most important, priceless thing that you have. Really, forget about your shoes, your bags, everything. Make sure you look after your health, eat well, enjoy life, and be thankful. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Bye now.